पानी कितने हैं? अब आगे छोड़ के Hello, good morning to all. Everyone, good morning. Turn on your camera, please. Good morning, Hannah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to all. Joshua, Jawad, Johan. Everyone, turn on your camera, please. Can you hear me, guys? Oh. So, what we were doing, we did HCF. HCF, any problem? Joshua, turn on your camera. Turn on your camera, please.
Can't get the second question of 4.61.
4.61.
Second.
Number second. Second, you didn't get it. This 48 one, no?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the question. 48 y7 x9 and 12 y3 x5. This is the question. Okay. Now, how to solve this? How to solve this? See, guys. First of all, we have to write the factors of each and everything in this. Okay. So it means that 48. First, we have to do prime factorization of 48. So 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, then 2, 3, and then 3, and then 1. So it means that 48 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? In the same way, if you will do the 12, prime factorization takes 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 1. If you will do the prime factorization of 12. Understood, Johan, Joshua? Joshua got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, it means that 48 by 7 x 9 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 1 into y to the power of 7 into x to the power of 9. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? So all are in multiplication form. It means that these are in factors form. Okay, 12 y to the power of 3 x to the power of 5. It means that 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 1 into y to the power of 3 into x to the power of 5. So it means that what does HCF mean? HCF means common with a lowest power. Common with the lowest power. So what is common? The 2 is the common. Now the lowest power is 2 to the power of 2. So 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 1 into y to the power of 3 into x to the power of 5. So if you will solve it, both is a 12. 12 by 3 x 5. Yeah. Understood, Hannah? Joshua didn't understand anything. Joshua, please ask me.
Yeah, I understood.
So can you do the 10th one?
Yeah, first I did off. That same 10th one you didn't get it, no?
No, sir.
Joshua, you did the homework?
Yeah, I did.
So you got everything? No.
Not everything. I didn't get the seventh question.
Didn't get the 7th. And rest, the factorization one, you did the factorization and then you got the factor? Like you did the 10th one?
Yeah, I did the check your progress 4.6.
Question number 110 question. You did that?
Yeah,
How you did that?
I got a little help.
You got it. See, little bit, don't go with a little bit. If you didn't get it, just ask me. Understood? If you didn't get it, just ask me without any problem, without any barrier. Just ask. Okay? Like I used to ask my teachers again and again, again and again, again and again, till then, if I'm not getting that answer. So be like me. Okay? So, till I raise this? Yeah. So I will do the 10th one first. Okay. So now this is the thing 6 x square minus 3x plus 2. And the second one is 15 x square minus 4x plus. Hey guys, now in this, first we have to, because we know that we can factorize this thing. Jawan, are you there? Turn on the camera, please. So first we have to factorize this thing to solve the answer. Guys, did you understand? No. First, what we have to do, we have to factorize it. Now, how will you factorize it? Factorization is you have to multiply the first and the last one. First and the last one. It will become 2x squared. Yes. Now we have to, because plus 2x square will be there. Now we have to factorize in such way that we will get answer as minus 3. So do you have any factors? Anybody? Sorry. Do you have any factors? Jahoan has any factors?
2 and 1.
2 and 1. So if you will write 2, if you will write 2 and 1, you will get answer as plus 2x. But you need an answer as minus 3x. When you will add it, you will get answer as minus 3x. But now, if I will add them, so I will getting answer as plus 3x. So now what to do?
Minus 2x and minus 9.
Very good, Jawan. Good boy. Okay. So now I have to do the simplification of this. So x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 2. Joshua, you did it like this also, like this?
Yeah. I did the like 2x square. Like before you showed me, I did that.
Sorry?
So before you showed me like that, I did.
Okay, okay. So you also factorize it, na? Simple. Middle term splitting you did, na? Good boy. So now x will be the common, so x minus 2 will remain, and then minus 1 will be the common, then x minus 2 again remain. Why I take out minus as a common? Because if I will take minus as a common, so the minus will become plus and the plus will become minus, so that the x minus 2 and x minus 2, both the terms will have x minus 2 with them. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? So x minus 2 will be taken out and the remaining behind x minus 1. So I got the factor which is 2 into 3 into x minus 2 into x minus 1. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now I ask you to find the factors of this one also. Quickly find it out and tell me the answer. Anna, quickly find the factors of this and tell me the answer. Quickly. Hannah, Joshua, Jahoan, everyone. You have to find the factors of this and tell me the answer. Quickly. Quickly, quickly. Okay, Hannah got it. Hannah is a good girl. Johan, are you there? Johan? Johan?
So,
Yes. Yes,
recall.
Johan. Yes. I'm saying you got this. You did your homework. I'm not getting
Uh,
your
I
homework.
I didn't finish the homework.
Why?
Yesterday I had to leave the home early, so I couldn't finish it in time. I mean,
So you didn't start the homework also?
I did start, but I didn't complete.
Okay. Okay, guys, done? Got the factors? Yes, Jahoan, give me the factor, please. Anna, got the factors?
Yeah, I made a mistake in between, so I have to do it again.
Okay, Jahoan, you got the factor, beta? Joshua, you got the factors?
I'm doing it. I didn't get that.
Okay. Quickly do it, quickly, quickly. Yeah, Jahoan got the answer. That's why. Yes, Jahoan, please do the honors.
2 times 3 times 3 times x minus 3 times x minus 1.
X minus 3 times x minus 1. Okay. Now, what is the common between them? 2 is common, 3 is common, and x minus 1 is common. Now, HCF means common power with a no, sorry, common number with the lowest power. Sorry, a common factor we can learn with the lowest power. Now 2 is common, so 2 will be there. 3 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 1. This is the common, but the lowest power is into 3 to the power of 1. Understood? And into x minus 1 because both have same power, so you can write any one of them. Okay. So it will become 6 into x minus 1. So these are the factors, these are the LCM. If you will multiply with both, then you will get answer as 6x minus 6. This is the answer. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Anna, didn't get anything, Anna? नहीं समझे ना?
Understood.
Okay, good. Joshua, you didn't get the factors of the previous one?
Yeah. This one.
Sorry?
This one I got.
You got it? Very good. Okay, now I'm erasing this. Shall I erase this? Take screenshot for Anushka, please. Good friend. Okay. Now the question which Joshua asked, let me check. Two x minus 5 square x plus 4 cube and 2x minus 5 cube x minus 4. Yeah, this is the question. Guys, did you understand, guys? Guys. So, Joshua, what is the common? What is the common? This thing and this thing is common? Yes or no? They are same, no? Now, lowest power is?
2.
Yeah, so 2x minus 5 having a power of 2. Now, the second one common is this one and this one?
X and Y.
X? No, this one.
X and Y.
Okay. No, these are not common, Joshua. Are they same? This is x plus 4 and this is x minus 5. X minus 4. This is x plus 4 and this is x minus 4. Are they same? No, here is plus is there, here is minus is there. They are not same. So they are not common, so I'll not write any common part. Understood? So this is the HCF. Understood, everyone? Guys? Yes or no? Jahan? Jahan has smile in his face. Why? Why Jahan is laughing? Okay, no, now it's not laughing. Okay. So now we did this thing. Now today we'll do the LCM part. Okay. Now don't write, put your pen down, and hands up. Hands up. Give me the hands up. Yeah, hands up. Yeah. Okay, hands up. Very good. Hannah, hands up. Yeah. You are right, you know. So put your left hand up. Yes. Okay. Yeah, now it's okay for me. Okay. So now we'll learn the LCM part. Okay. LCM. Now, what is the meaning of LCM, Joshua?
Least common multiple.
Yeah, least common. Lowest common. Okay, now we will do the LCM part. So the LCM part is like this. Perfect. LCM part is like this. Now, guys, you understand it like this. So LCM For example, if they ask you to find the LCM of 12 and 13, if they ask you to find the LCM of 12 and 13, so how will you do this? How will you do this? See, what we used to do, like we do LCM like this, 12 and 18 I will do. 12 and 18, then 2 will come, then 6, then it will become 9, then 2 will come, it will become 3, then it will become 9 again, then 3 will come, then it will become 1, then it will become 3, then again 3 will come, then it will become 1 and 1. So it means that the LCM we used to find like this: 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which will become 4 into 9, which will become 28. This is the LCM. Yes or no? This is correct LCM, no? Yes? Yeah, everyone is sleeping. 4 9 the 28. 4 9 the is 36. Everyone is sleeping. Just opening is their eyes and just sleeping. Okay, no problem. No problem, no. You don't have to sleep, okay? Okay, so this is what we learn. Yeah. Now, if I will find the LCM in another way, it's gonna be like this. Like if I will do the prime factorization of 18, so 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. And if I will do the prime factorization of 12, then 2, 4, 4, no, 2, 4, and it becomes 6, 6, then 2, what I'm doing? 3, 3, 1. So if I will write the prime factorization of 18, which is 2 into 3 square, and 12, which is 2 into, sorry, 2 square into 3. Okay. So if I will compare this now, so this is the common and this is also common. Okay. So it means that like I'm getting answer as here 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2. And if I will take out like this, so 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2 is basically an LCM. So what does this mean? This means that, what does this mean? This means that LCM means common factor with a small power or a high power. Like we can see that in HCF, what we were doing, like they are the common ones. So we are taking 2 to the power of 1 because they have the lowest power. But in LCM, it becomes opposite. 2 to the power of 2, it means that we are taking common factor with a what? With a highest power. Yes or no? Yes or no? And uncommon also. Like in this example, there is no uncommon, but if uncommon factor is also there, for example, if there is a 7 also here, then you have to write 7 also because it's uncommon also. Understood? So what does this LCM means? Common factor with the highest power and uncommon. Those who are not common, you have to write that thing also in LCM. Understood? Yes or no? No. Devan, didn't get anything, beta. Devan, got it? Anna, Anna,
Yes.
Joshua, Johan, got it? Johan, Johan, are you there? Johan,
Yes, sir.
good. Write it down. Quickly write it down. Guys, done? Shall I read this? Today I will make Joshua. Joshua, today I will add your number uh, to to the group that we have. So can you send me message from mummy mobile because Papa is traveling, no? Papa is always traveling, no? So you can send it me to hi from Mama's mobile. Then I will save that number and I will add you into the group. Like we have two groups, the NXTians group and the second group is 10 class NIOS group in which all the notes which we did today will come. Okay. We have some brilliant screenshot persons who take screenshot and put it in the group and make group alert. Yeah. So we did this thing. Okay. So now we'll do some questions on this. Okay. Now 4x squared by now it can be written as 2 to the power of 2. I will do the prime factorization into x to the power of 2 into y. The same x cube y square and b x to the power of 2 y to the power of 2 into b. Guys, did you understand? Did you understand? Okay. Now, if you want to solve this, so first of all, we have to find common factors with the highest power and uncommon also. So we have to find it out. Okay. So first of all, what is common? This is the common. Yes. This is the common part. Now, what is the common highest power? Highest power is x to the power of 3. So I will write x to the power of 3. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now the second common is this one is common. Now highest power is x to the power of 2. So y to the power of 2. So I will write y to the power of 2. Now the uncommon is 2 to the power of 2. So I will write 2 to the power of 2 also and z also because z is also uncommon. So it will become 4x cube y square z. This is the LCM. Guys, did you understand? Guys. Okay. Quickly write it down. Quickly write it down. Got it? Paralysis? Joshua? Anna? Johan? Johan? Paralysis, beta?
So go back 1 second.
What did you say?
No, it just got erased. So
Okay, do this again. Quickly do this. Quickly. Quickly do this. Quickly.
Sir,
Yes.
is that 4? Is that
48. Yes. 48. You're not able to understand the gold medalist handwriting? Huh, Joshua? Huh? I am the gold medalist in my college time. What you? You're laughing. Tell me when you're done. Tell me when you're done.
is it 48y7 into 9?
No, not into. It's X basically.
Okay.
Yeah, got it? Hannah? Very good, Hannah. So Hannah, you took demo classes from me before also?
Yeah, in 8th grade. But I don't think you were teaching.
That another sir was there, no?
One trial I did with Bethel, sir, and I don't remember that. That is long.
Uh, okay, shall I raise this now? So Hannah gave OBE exam.
Yes,
How much you scored?
8.
Wow. Wow, very good. Very good. I didn't hear thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, done. Shall I raise this? Okay, you Joshua, Johan, you got the answer. Anna, Johan got the answer. Say give me thumbs up. Johan, Jafohan. Hello, Johan. Can you hear me? Okay. You can do like screen thumbs up, like you can do like this. Okay. Joshua, got the answer?
Didn't get it yet.
You didn't get it yet. Okay. Anna, got the answer?
I
Can you
made a
do it,
mistake
please?
in between.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Johan, you got the answer? Johan?
Yeah. Not 1 minute, sir.
Okay. So I'll do this question then. Okay. So what does this LCM means? The common factor with the highest power and uncommon also. This is the basically the LCM part. How to find LCM? Yes or no? Yes or no? Guys, did you listen? Yeah. So now LCM is equals to what is the common? This is the common. This is the common. This is the common. This is the common. Okay. So here the highest power is 2 to the power of 4 into 3 into y to the power 7 into x to the power 9. So this is the LCM 148 by 7 x 9. Okay, understood, guys? Yes or no? Joshua, you didn't get anything. Joshua,
Yeah, understood.
you got little things.
Yeah, I didn't understand. Now I understand.
Okay, now you understand. Good. It's basically the same part like HCA we were doing, no? We have to do the same thing, but now the things a little bit change that we in HCA we are taking common with the lowest power, and in LCM we are taking common with the highest power and uncommon also. Guys, did you understand? Anna, simple, nothing else, no different. So now it's my favorite time to give you homework. Homework time! Yay! See how much like how much good they are saying that. So we want to. So this is your homework. Shall I raise this, guys? Shall I raise this? Joshua is writing. And Joshua is writing and he's saying yes. You raise this. What? What is?
So you're the one erasing it now.
No, this is done. See, he's done. He done all the things. That's fine. Okay. So homework is question number 2, PYP 4.6. Question number 2 from 1 to 10. You want more? Anna wants more. So, because Anna wants more, so I'll give her more question.
Oh, it's not that.
No, let it.
Oh,
See,
come on, sir.
listen. When you have a heavy lunch, then after that, what will you do? You have dessert, no? So this is your heavy lunch. Now I want to give dessert also, no? Dessert, like some sweet. This is a simple example.
I usually don't have
What
this.
would-
It's okay, sir.
Okay, this is your homework. More dessert you want? Okay, I'll give you the more dessert.
No, seriously, so sorry.
Okay. So this is your homework. I hope you enjoyed the class, Anna. Then we'll meet tomorrow with the same energy, with same intensity. And you guys have 3 minutes break.
I said.
Yeah, 4 minutes break. Then we'll start the science class. Bye, Anna. Okay, guys, come back. Turn your camera, everyone. Johan, Joshua, Johan, everyone turn on your camera, please. So we did this part. Okay, now today we'll learn about transportation. Today we will learn about transportation. Now, what do you mean by transportation? So, transportation is basically the taking substances, food, or water or requirement from one place to another place. So, there is a transportation in plants also. Like, can you tell me what is the transportation in plants occurs? How transportation in plants occurs? What occurs in transportation in plants? Can you tell me that? Yeah. So can you tell me, Jawan? Can you tell me how transportation occurs? Jawan, you don't know transportation? Hannah, do you have any idea?
Tissues that are there in the plant connect the parts of the plant and they transfer minerals and water.
Yeah. So basically, there are some specialized tissue. They have work for that only. Oh my God. They have work for that only to transport things from one place to another place. For example, what is the kitchen of the plant? Kitchen part of a plant is leaf. It means that in leaf only they prepare their own food. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, if leaf wants water, so water you can't spray water on leaf and it will absorb. The leaf will absorb that water. No, it won't be possible. Understood? So we have to water the plants on leaf. We have to water plants on leaf. Is it true? Where we watered plants? We watered plant in the roots. So what like in the roots we are giving, and leaf is the part of leaf is the kitchen of the part. And we know that just now in the previous classes we learned that leaf prepare foods. If leaf prepare foods, it means that the leaf wants water. So this is called as transportation system. It means that the roots will absorb water and it will transport to the leaf. Oh my God. Understood, guys? No, you didn't understand. So this is basically called as transportation system. Understood? So transportation is in plants. There are two types of transportations are there. How many types of transportations are there? Two types of transportations are there. First is transportation of water. Repeat, transportation of water, and the second one is translocation of food. Oh my God, translocation of food. Now, transportation of waters occurs from the roots. Okay, it occurs from the roots and it goes to the leaf. This is called as transportation of water. Yeah, and there are specialized tissue called as xylem. Xylem is responsible for the movement of water. Means this is a channel. Xylem is a channel through which the water is transported to the leaves. Understood, guys? No, you didn't understand anything. And in xylem, what happens? Like you understand it like this. We know that water always travels from high concentration to the low concentration. Yes or no? Yes or no? Water always travels from high concentration to the lower concentration. It means that the if I will, it is called as basically osmosis. Okay. Now what happens? We know that we do you know the meaning of transpiration? Do you know the meaning of transpiration? Anybody knows? Yeah, Hannah knows. Joshua knows. What do you mean by transpiration? Yes or no? You know, Joshua. Okay. Jahan, do you know the meaning of transpiration? No? Okay. So now understand it like this. Now, for example, this is leaf. Okay. This is leaf. Leaf has tiny pores called as stomata. Okay. Through stomata, there is a guard cells. So when guard cells open, okay, then what will happen? The exchange of gas will occur through stomata, as well as the water intake and outtake will also be there through the stomata. Why? Because stomata has chloroplast, and inside chloroplast there is a chlorophyll where the photosynthesis reaction occurs. Okay. Now we all know that. Now in the in the guard cells, there is chloroplast, and in that chloroplast there is a chlorophyll. So the opening and closing of a guard cells, like when the sunlight is there, then what will happen? The water inside the leaves will evaporate because of heat. Okay. There's an experiment. They put the plant into they put plant, and they cover it with in the glass. Then what happens when the sunlight is there? Na, the leaf, there's a loss of water from the leaf, and water droplets seen in the walls of a jar. So what does this mean? This means that leaf loses water. And if it is loses water, this is called as transpiration. This is called as what? It is called as transpiration. Understood, guys? No, you didn't understand anything. So transpiration is basically a loss of water. Transpiration is what? A loss of water from the leaf to the stomata. This is transpiration. Now, because in transpiration, there's a loss of water. So we know that water always travels from high concentration to the low concentration. Okay. Now I'll make a diagram for you so that you can understand. Okay. So for example, this is the plant. Don't laugh. Wait. Okay. Now there is a water around the roots. Now because there is a lot of water, now because of sun rays, the water will evaporate from the leaves. I told you. And this process is called as what? Transpiration. Okay. Now here the water concentration is low concentration, and in roots there is a high concentration of water is there. So there will be upward movement of water towards leaf. This process is called as transpiration pull. The transpiration pull. Now I will give you a final definition of transpiration pull. It is the process in which water moves from the roots to the leaf of the plant because of the low concentration in the roots in the leaf. Because of the there is a transpiration process occurs in that. Understood, guys? No, you didn't understand anything. So transpiration pull occurs due to the transpiration process in the leaf. And what is transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of water in the leaves. Oh my God. Guys, did you understand? No. Okay. Hannah, read this. Take screenshot, then read this. Take screenshot and then read this.
distribution of food and oxygen to all parts of the body, as well as removal of body waste, is performed by a transport system within the body of all living organisms. Our body also secretes hormones, which have to be carried to their target organ. The flow of fluid, body or lymph within the body for transport purposes is termed circulation, and the organs for circulation constitute circulatory system. Transport of materials in plants, transport of water. Roots of plants take up water and minerals from the soil. How does this water move from roots to leaves for photosynthesis? We have already learned about the connecting tissues of plants, xylem and phloem in lesson 28. Tracheids and vessels, which are non-living cells of xylem, transport water picked up by roots from soil to the leaves. The upward movement of water and minerals from soil or ascent of sap is against gravity and is due to
Okay, you got it. It's because of transpiration full, and transpiration is the process of loss of water from the leaves. Understood, Joshua? Jahuan, Johan, Hannah? Any doubt, please ask me. Yeah, next part, please. Now, in the transportation of water, there is no energy needed. No energy needed. It means that you don't have to spend a little, you are not spending, means the plant doesn't have to spend a little energy. Okay. Why? Because in transpiration full, this is all natural process. How? Sunrays is there. Sunrays is there. Loss of water will occur. Loss of water. If loss of water will occur, then there is the low concentration will create in the leaves, and the water will come up. So this is no energy. Basically, it's called as passive transport. Passive transport means no energy needed. Okay, like plant doesn't spend a little energy in transportation of water. Okay, and it is unidirectional. Now, unidirectional means that the transportation is only occurs from roots to leaf. It won't go roots to leaf, then stem like this. It will always go in upward direction. Unidirectional. Understood? Yes or no? Now, transportation of food is also called as translocation. Why translocation? First of all, transportation of food, how it occurs. Now, in transportation of food, the food will travel from leaf to the other parts of the plant. Leaf to the other parts of the plant. Understood, guys? No. Yes or no? So the in transportation of food material, the food is traveling from leaf to the other part of a plant, and in transportation of water, the water is traveling from roots to the leaf. Understood, guys? Now, this energy is needed. Like for the translocation, energy is needed. So it is called as active transport. It is called as active transport. Okay. Now it occurs in phloem. Like phloem is the channel through which food is transportation. Okay. Now why it is active transport? So leaf is there. For example, I'll make a diagram for you if you will not laugh on me. So for example, this is leaf. It makes food. Now the leaf will travel this part also. The food will travel this part also. This part also. This if there is a leaf, then this part also. So it is all direction we need to transport food, like each and every part of a plant. So that's why it is called as active transport. Why? Because we need energy for that. Guys, did you understand? No. So transportation of food is called as translocation, and it's active transport. It's need energy. Guys, please write these points in your notebook or book, whatever you have, because these are the important notes which will help you when you are going through revision. Okay. Shall I erase this, guys? Okay, 1 minute. Shall I erase this? Okay. Now, Jahan, read this.
Where onwards?
Yes,
Transport
transport.
of food.
Yeah.
Sugars and other food molecules synthesized in the leaves are transported to other parts of plants through phloem. Sieve tubes are living cells of the phloem which transport food. Transport of food material from leaves to other parts of the plant is called translocation. The food then may be stored in fruit stems or roots.
Okay. So this is called translocation. It's not that much deep, but I gave you deep, like active transport and unidirectional or multi-directional. So this we learned. Understood, guys? Now transportation in human beings. So human beings transportation, why it is needed? Like anybody can give me the specific reason why transportation is needed in human being. Anybody? Johan, give me the reason why there is a needed of transportation in human being. Yes, Jahan. Jahan, are you there? Hello, can you hear me? Yes, Jahan. Why there is a transportation in human being needed?
To catch blood and nutrients to all parts of the body.
Yes. So transportation in human beings is needed because, like, we eat food. Now the food is absorbed into the intestine. We learn that. But if there is no Zomato and no Swiggy, then how the food will travel? Understood? If there is no blood medium, then how the food which is in your stomach will go to the brain, will go to your hand tip, will go to your any part of our body. So whatever we ate, we need to transport that nutrient to the different parts of our body. Understood? No. So that's why transportation is necessary. Now we have three parts in the transportation of human beings, and these are the important thing. Like how they can ask you question. They can ask you question like this: that give me the components of human circulatory system. So human circulatory system consists of three things: centrally located muscular pump called heart. Second is blood vessels, and third is circulating fluid. So these are the three components of a circulatory system of a human body. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? Now, this is called as centrally located muscular pump is called as heart. Blood vessels, heart we know that it's always pumping organ. It pumps up and relax, contract, relax, contracts, relax, contract, relax. Blood vessels. Now, blood vessels are the like you can understand it like this. Do you know pipe? Do you know pipe? If there is tap, if there is a tap far away from me and I need a pipe to fill anything or to gardening the to water the plant, okay, so we need a pipe, a chamber through which the water will transport. Yes, in the same way in our body also there is as called as vessels It's like a pipe of a human body. Like the blood travels through it. Understood, guys? So the vessels is called as basically pipe, which are tube-like structure connected to the heart. So it's connected to the heart, and when the heart will contract, the blood will come to this, and when heart will relax, then the blood will go through it. Understood, guys? No. But there are three types of vessels are there. Artery means those who carry blood away from the heart. Now I'll make a diagram for you. Like for example, this is in heart. Okay, sorry. This is in heart. Okay. Now blood vessels which are taking blood away from the heart, this is called as artery. Blood vessels who are taking blood away from the heart is called as artery. And what are the veins then? Veins. Blood vessels which are taking blood into the heart. Blood into the heart. Then it is called as vein. This is called as artery. Blood away from heart. And blood into the heart is called as vein. Understood, guys? No, you didn't understand anything. No. Anna, you got it? Johan, you got it? Yes. Now, if I will draw a connection between them, now artery will take it to the cells. Like for example, this is cells. Cells, the it will divide, and when it will divide, it will again come to. It will become a vein. So this is called a circulatory system. Like blood will go from heart. It will go to the artery. It will go to the artery, and then it will go to the cells. Cells will use that, and then blood will go to again to the. It become veins and it will again go to the heart. So it become like this: heart, artery, cells, then again vein, and then become heart. So basically, how this is how it occurs. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, guys, did you understand? Yes or no? So this is how it occurs. Okay, heart, artery, cells, and then it become vein. So this is called as basically capillaries. So what do you mean by capillaries? So you can understand it like this. Do you know highway? Yes. Then in like if you go to your house, so there's a big road. Then you have to go into your street. So street are the small roads, huh? So that small roads is basically called as capillary. So artery is the big highway, and it will divide into small capillaries, so that there is an exchange of blood can occur. Like those who need food can take food from that blood, and then the capillaries will join together to become again big highway, so that the vein will form. Now vein will go to the heart, so it will occurs like this. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? Yes or no? Write it down. Quickly write it down. Quickly write it down. Done? Yes or no? Now, Joshua, read this paragraph.
The
This
heart,
paragraph.
human circulatory system consists of centrally located muscular pump called heart and blood vessels, which are tube-like structures connected to the heart. Blood vessels are of three kinds. Arteries carry the blood from the heart to various parts of the body. Veins bring blood from various parts of the body to the heart. Capillaries, thin vessels between the artery and the vein. The capillaries allow the exchange of materials between blood and tissues. Circulating fluid, blood tissue, fluid, and lymph.
Okay. So now, basically, blood vessels are of three types. We learned that, and circulating fluid also we done. So it's basically blood, and lymph we will do tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata. Bye bye.